Hey, what's up, y'all? Let's start with Groove here. Happy Monday to you. Hope y'all had a nice weekend and everything. Mine was good, smooth, it was decent. Uber was slow, again. and this week's got to be back in school, so she'll pick up this weekend or weekend after next. But whatever. Other ways to make money. Let's get into this market. Portfolio at $45,384.96. I am up $658.62. Buying power at $2,424.80. Right now it's $2,000 down because I've been buying MPW last Friday. I picked up, I don't know, probably 325 shares that I'm gonna buy and sell. I couldn't sell it on Friday because Robinhood had they had the pattern day trading thing down on me, so gotta wait a couple of days for me to buy and sell a stock. Can't buy and sell a stock in the same day, but so many times in a week or however they like to do it, man. But with Weaver, I can trade it in and out, looking good in my Cash App portfolio and Weaver portfolio on it. But I'm gonna see if I can sell 225 shares today of MPW. Look at Bitcoin, see what the big dog, Big Daddy doing. Okay, Big Daddy at $44,978.20. Holding on, which is good. Let's go to our stocks. I got my sale order in on Xerox at $19. I'm selling everything. If you hit it again, I can put that money somewhere else. All right, MPW, 346. It got up today to a high at 364. I need to sell 225 shares. Let me see if it's gonna let me do it so I can get some of my money back. Because I am too far in, but I needed to lower my average cost. It reached 364 today. I'm gonna do 360. I brought in at 348. I make 12 cents or 22 cents. I'm good with that. I just need to lower my average cost. 225 shares. And it did it. Put a buy order in at 360. So that'd be 810 I get back. And I can buy it low again and lower my average cost. I am good. I am content. My other portfolios, I think my average cost is around like 385. I'm good on that. If it go low, I buy more and sell it. But I need to get that money back. This the ones I'm getting it back on. 25 shares at 344. 100 shares at 347. This 43 shares at one at 345. It's 57 shares to make it 100 at 348. So the most I paid was 348. And then I got 20 shares at 485. That was Thursday evening when all these trigger, these buy limits, all these in the 480 range, which I'm not worried about right now. I just need to get my shares back for the January 5th, which is 225 shares. But my average cost is at 551 now. Started that day, I think it was at $7 and something, which I got it down. And I am gonna buy $5 worth. Now all these $5 worth I buy in stocks, that stuff I never sell. I'm just only ones I sell is when I do a lump sum order of. All right. Citigroup 53.47. I'm at 42.37. I am up $125.47, 26%. I ain't bothering it because Citigroup got a 52-week high of 54.75. And they didn't drop interest rates yet, so think where it's going to be at after that. And a good dividend of 3.83. Not very, very high, but it's good and it's dependable. What did it reach today? 54.35. I can take some profit on there. Sell 2 shares. I'm up 125, 54.35. How many shares I got? Cause I actually got this in my Cash App portfolio too. Let me write that down real quick. Citigroup. Need to come back and see what it do. Cause I might sell this whole portfolio here and get this money. Cause I got a whole lot of shares in my Cash App. Citigroup. 54.35. 2.5 shares. Alright, come back to that. Alright, let's keep on going. I know bank stocks I'm good. Up 7% in that one. That ain't nothing. KeyBank, another one I want to load up on if it ever came back down. Up 17%. Let that ride out and pay good dividends. Huntington Bank is another one I'm going to load up on if it ever came back down. $12.96. Up 9%. See, one thing about that is I don't have to invest any more money in it. I don't buy it when it's green or when I'm up, when I'm in a green. I only buy it when it's down. Everybody got their own thing about dollars cost averaging. You know, buying it when it's up. It's, you know, buying $5 or $10 a day every time, even if it's up or down. You know, that's for boring investors, which I am not. Buy order place, 1174, 10 shares. Just reached the low today at 1193. I'm gonna buy some of my Cash App portfolio where I got about 4,000 just sitting doing nothing. As you can see, this went 1193 as the low today. 1193 and the day high is 1218. So I'm gonna go in at 1193 and I'm gonna set the sell limit at $12.15, which I make 20 cents a share. I might go buy $500 worth. I want to hit it big. I want to do these small trades, even if I just make $5 a day extra. If you look at over a year's time or just a month's time of trading that one stock, getting in and out, learning this pattern, you're going to be all right. And Western Union is one of them. And not to go back to it, but the reason I said it's got over $1 million trading value, man. Some days it get up to 4 million in trading value. And if you ever get stuck in a stock, you pay a dividend over. I know y'all gonna be tired of me. Let me prove this point. Something going in my mind. Might be a little rant to y'all. It pays a dividend yield of 7.86%. PE ratio is at a 6, so that's still low. It's undervalued still. Market cap 4.42. And the analysts got it rated as a whole. And it pays a saved dividend quarterly of 23 cents. And Western Union not going anywhere. UVV 61.95. I keep this because it pays a dividend of 5.07. So I let that just stay there and just collect that money. I got a good foundation on that play. Verizon, I know I'm good. 43 shares, $35.29. I'm up $207. I ain't worrying about that because Verizon got a high 52-week high of $44.74. So I hold on to that and collect that juicy dividend of 6.52. I take that. When it go back below, I buy more, start dollar cost averaging in it. OPIDHT, office, properties, 1092. I need to come down to this one. So for MPW, my Robinhood portfolio is the only one I'm concerned about. I need to get that down under the $4 range. I really wanted that to get about that 375 range, so I'm gonna get it under 4 and chill and watch it. I also need to swing trade Carver State Bank, CARV. Need to get my money back on that so I can dollar cost average back down. That's a long-term play. Carver State Bank. It ain't a play for everybody. You gotta swing it. I mean, when the interest rates get low, it's probably gonna boom up. So I'm keeping me at least 300 shares for the long, at least 250 shares for the long term. I mean, it look kind of good today for Monday. I mean, charge point. I'm at 256, 318 shares. I'm gonna hold on to it. Get me $5 worth today. With $3 worth, get me a share today. Continue to accumulate. I got some buy limit orders in too. At 183.25 shares. I can remember that I got 25 at 183. I got 25 at 191. I got 50 at $2. And I think I got 25 at $2.05. So it go down to there. It's going to fill them for me automatically. How Morgan Stanley doing? 92.86. Finally up in that. That's a long-term play and hold. Northwest Bank should be up in that. Good. Intero Midstream, I'm up in that. This pay a nice dividend, 7.23. Something to just hold on to. Accumulate some shares as the dip. TFSL, 1426, 1525. I let that ride. What that is, 1426, 1525. Dividend yield, 7.92. I get some of that to bail myself out. Like I said, when this stock start to fly, you'll see an interest rate cut in the next 90 to 120 days. So you might want to do whatever damage you're going to do to the market. You better do it. Do it now. 90 bars is long-term hold. 96, I'm at 86. That's good. KNOP need to come down in this one. 622. It's at the half of the day. Actually, that's flying good, like it's coming up. What it did in the last week. The PE ratio. Do I have one? Yeah, it's undervalued. Let me get $3 worth. So I don't see this going back to no 52-week low where I can buy a bunch and flip it and sell it. Lower my average cost. Where VYM at? Know this high. Yeah. That's a tough stock to catch under $100. I mean, $100, you got to load up at 100. Excuse me. Here, this bank, I'm good. Golden Oceans Group, I know I'm good with that. S-Buck, Starbuck Carrier, 21. And that, nice dividend payer. They used to shoot out major dividends back in the day. This is why I sold them. Right here why I got out. I mean, but it's holding good. I got a buy order in at 11:30 for one share. $9 called average from that on down. That's going to be a long-term play. Because they used to pay amazing dividends, man. 68.34 USOI. I'd buy that anytime under 70 bucks. Buy and hold. Try to get you 100 shares of that. SDIB. I like that. Really under 22 mark. It's another one you get you good 100 shares of. HDV, I know I'm good with that. Let's check it out. It's at 103. It brought at 95. 52-week low at 93.46. I've been buying it, man. $3. I should have been doing $5 or $10 a day. But it's all good. UAN got to get me $5 of that one. Like I say, HDV, DHS, SCHD, VYM. The ETFs there, when they low, man, you got to load up on them, cause they shoot up high. They got a lot of value, and a lot of people who traders like them. Angles 87, I'm at 78. I'm good. Hold on to that. IAT, this the bank, the ETF I was telling y'all about, the regional bank one. I'm telling y'all to load up. So I'm at $32.61. Average shares at 41.90. I'm up 28.48%, but that ain't nothing. Cause they got a 52-week high, 53.92. It's at $41. This thing gonna go up another 12 bucks. So guess what I'm gonna do with it? Hold. And I'm gonna get a dividend yield of 4.117. This is why I thought about selling Citibank. Citibank is in this too. It's just not in the top 10 holdings. It was in it, but we gonna see. Got alert. Okay, that ain't nothing with Webull. Clip. I brought some clip today. Brought 10 shares, I think at $15.70. Something triggered today. I know I brought 10 shares of my Webull. Let's see real quick. There we go. 10 shares at $15.76. That's a good price for you to buy it and hold it. Trying to get my 100 shares at $16.46. If this goes above $17, I might sell some of that stuff at $1,500, $15.76, because they get my money back. So when it dip back down to $15.70, like it will, and I'm gonna buy back in then. I make a couple dollars and get me some more fresh powder. With those yield max, them options trading, the ETF, that's what then you gotta do. Sometimes it's 16, buy it at that, and you might already have 59 shares or something, or 60 shares, and you brought 10 at that price, 16, and go to 16.25. You might just sell it, make you 25 cents a share, $2.50. Put that money up, when it dip back to 16, buy back at it, so you can lower your average cost and do it all over again. Because you want to keep your average cost around the 52-week low. So try to stay around the 52-week low and get those dividends. Think about these XOMO, the ETF I don't like is that you can buy fractional shares of it. See, if I try to buy $3, it won't let me. But I got a buy order in at 16 bucks. 52-week low, 16.81. What I do, I buy one. Do I have one in at 16.81? Let me check first. Got 15, 16, okay. $16.81. Pick up a share. This pays out huge dividends. All right, let's that. Let me check MetaFast real quick. It seemed like I didn't see it when I was doing my stocks. 65, that's green today, that's fine. When it's bearish, I buy in. Might buy $10 worth next time. 27 shares, at $79.54. All right, let me show y'all my Cash App, my portfolio for Citigroup. Why I say I might sell Citigroup over here. All right. City, take a C. This is where I'm at. I got 22 shares. Average cost $43.45. I'm up 22%, which is $221. I can actually scalp some profit on this one too. Cause I am deep in bank stocks. That's why I say I can. And if it ever go back down, I can just buy in from there on out. So that's why I say that. But y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, man. www.patreon.com. Let's build a portfolio together. GGYM, go get your money. Enjoy your day. I'm out.